Hello, good morning friends. Today I am going to present anatomical terminology part 3. In previous slide you see about different part including alphabet related to A. Today we start terminology from alphabet B. So balano means glands. Balano means glands. The word glands used for glans penis. Basilic, prominent structure. Bifid, splitted into two or divided into two. Bowel, intestine. Brachium, upper part or upper arm from shoulder to elbow or related to part of humerus. Buccal, mouth और बक्कल कैविटी और माउथ और ओरल कैविटी. बड, BUD, बड, रिजेंबलिंग ए बड ऑफ प्लांट और टाइनी ओवर ग्रोथ. बल्ब, एनी राउंडेड स्ट्रक्चर. बर्सा, ए ब्लाइंड सैक और कैविटी कंटेनिंग ए विस्कस फ्लूइड. Calcaneus, heel. Calcaneus related to calcium. Calcaneus heel. Capsule, a covering surrounding an organ. Cardiac, related to heart. Carina, a structure with a projecting central ridge found in the last terminal ring of the trachea. Carpal, related to wrist. Caruncle, a small fleshy eminence. Caudal, toward tail. Sep or cephalic, head. Cervix, a neck-like narrow portion of any organ. Chiasma, crossing, as like optic chiasma. Cholecystitis, related to gallbladder. Chondrocartilage. Chorda, a cord or tendon. Chyle, milk-like juice. Cistern, a closed space serving as a reservoir of fluid. Clavicle, little key. Commissure, meeting of two structures cross the median plane. Contralateral, opposite side of the body. Cornu, any horn-like projection. Corona, any structure resembling a crown, like coronary artery. Cadaver or corpse, body, dead body. Coccyx, cuckoo. Concha, shell. Corpuscle, any small rounded body, old term for blood. Corpus, body of the principal part of any organ. Cortex, outer part of any organ. Crease, a line produced by a fold. Crest, an enclosed prominence. Costi, ribs. Cribriform, any sieve-like structure. Crista, a crest. Cricoids, signet ring-like structure. Crural, related to thigh. Crus, any leg-like structure. Cubit, a space between lower end of humerus and upper end of ulna and radius. Cuneiform, wedged shape. Cusp, leaf-like structure present in the valve of heart. Cutis, skin. Decussation, crossing the fibers in the form of X. Difference, to convey something. Dense, tooth-like. Dextro, to the right. Diarthrosis, an articulation in which opposite bone move freely. Disc, a thin, rounded, flat structure. Dissect, to separate tissue and part of a cadaver for anatomical study. Distal, away from the center. Diverticulum, any sac or pouch in the wall of a canal. Dorsal, relating to back or posterior surface of a part. Ecto, outside. Ectopia, malposition of an organ, especially congenital. Emboliform, resembling a nucleus. Embryo, during the first 2 months of intrauterine life. Emissary, an outlet. Encephalgia, severe and deep-seated headache. Encephalitis, inflammation of the brain and membrane. Encephalocele, hernia of the brain. Encephalogram, X-ray picture of the cerebral ventricles after injection of air. Encephalogy, the science of the brain. Encephaloid, resembling the substance of the brain. Encephaloma, a brain tumor. Encephalomalacia, a softening of the brain. Encephalomeningitis, combined inflammation of the brain and membrane. Encephalomyelitis, inflammation of the brain and the spinal cord. Encephalomyopathy, any disease of the brain and spinal cord. Encephalon, whole of the brain. Encephalosclerosis, hardening of the brain. Enteric, a small intestine. Into, inside. Ensiform, sword-shaped. Unique, derived from the horse. Equine, derived from the horse. That is cauda equina. Ethmoid, sieve-like. Evagination, outward bulging of a wall of a cavity. Facet, a smooth area on a bone. Falciform, sickle-shaped structure. Fascia, a fibrous membrane which covers, supports and separates the muscle. Fasciculus, a small bundle of fiber, usually of nerve. Fastigial, a highest point. Femur, thigh. Fibula, pin-like structure. Filiform, thread-like structure. Fissure, a groove, cleft, slit or deep furrow. Flexure, a band. Fetus, from the 3rd month of intrauterine life until birth. Follicle, a small secretory sac or cavity. foramen, opening or orifice. Fossa, a shallow depression. Fovea, a pit or cup-like depression. Frenum, a fold of mucous membrane that connects the two parts, more or less movable. Frontal, frons means brow or forehead. Fundus, base of a hollow organ. Fungiform, mushroom shaped. Funiculus, a cord-like structure. Fusiform, structure tapering on the both ends. This is about terminology. In next video you see in continuation of new terminology in on-way alphabet. This is helpful for study different parts or topics in anatomy and allied medical sciences. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.